狂风乱吹，暴雨横扫，看台上的观众想穿上雨衣都有困难，但这都还是小 case， 因为下一秒，看台的屋顶帆布竟然整片被狂风卷走，把看台观众吓得惊声尖叫。这是在 F1 巴西大奖赛周五在排位赛中遇到狂风暴雨来袭的场面。原本开赛初期天气还很晴朗，赛车在跑道上高速奔驰，观众看得热血沸腾。但天色逐渐变黑，甚至眼前的天空乌云罩顶，没过多久就下起暴雨。
Was in Q3, you could see the weather incoming, and it looked really bad, as you can see now. But yeah, luckily we completed the lap in the best way possible, but there was no grip out there because the wind was changing already a lot.
这场排位赛第一和第二阶段都正常进行，但之后在 Q3 阶段，由于天降大雨，有赛车因此打滑冲出跑道。为了车手安全，大会祭出红旗，下令赛事提前结束。转播画面上的跑马灯也显示比赛不会重新开跑。车手进到维修站后接受采访时，时不时还可以看到镜头上出现雨滴。
That was one of the, or probably the strangest session of my career, especially the last run. Basically, we had, I think there was the rain coming, the wind changed completely. I did a good lap, so I'm happy, even though it's yeah, very, very difficult in those conditions.
尽管天公不作美，但车王维斯塔潘还是拿下 F1 巴西排位赛的杆位，有机会挑战今年第17个分站冠军。TVB 的新闻综合报道。
想看最完整的新闻内容，记得下载 TVBS 新闻网 APP。